Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbird143. In this tutorial, I will show how to create reports in MS Access 2007. Here, I have created a table with student information. To create reports, come to Create. We have Report section. Beside Forms, there are multiple ways to create reports in Access 2007. Report will create a basic report of the data in the content query or table to which we can add features such as groups or totals. Report design will create a new blank report in design view. In design view, we can make advanced design changes to reports such as adding custom control types and writing code. Blank report creates a new blank report so that we can insert fields and controls and design the report. Report wizard helps to create simple and customized report. Here I want to use basic report method. Axis will present a simple report for us in layout view. Notice that this is similar to continuous form which we discussed earlier. Here we can modify the title. And we can also set our own logo. Click on logo, come to desktop. Here I want to use this as logo. OK. And we got time and date fields. If you want to add only date format and to remove the time fields, select that and press delete on your keyboard. And also we can resize the columns. Come to view. Here we will get report view, layout view, design view and print view. Click on print view. This will show the report when we are going to print the report. We can zoom in and zoom out. On the bottom, we can use navigation arrows to switch between the pages. On the top, we can select a page and margin sizes. To export this format, come to data section on top. We can export the data in various forms such as Excel, Word, text file, and Access Database XML file, snapshot viewer, and in HTML document. Here I'm selecting Word. Select a destination for your download. OK. And we got a notification. Do you want to save these export steps? This will allow us to quickly repeat the operation without using the wizard. If you don't want, simply click on close. Close the print view, and to save the report, please click on floppy icon or use Ctrl S shortcut on your keyboard, and please select a name for your report. OK. We can open this report in future from navigation panel. Close this. To take a report of students from India that we have prepared in previous tutorial using query, come to create and please select report. And we got a report about the students from India. If you want to delete a column from your report, right click on the column and select delete. And also we can modify the label. And after this, to show each report on one page just like forms, select the table, come to create. Here please select report wizard. Select the source either from table or from query. I'm selecting table, and select the fields you want to display. And click on next. Do you want to add any grouping levels? That is, if you want to show the certain country students together, select country and click on next. Select the sort order, select the fields and select the sorting method. Similarly, I want to sort by last name and I'm selecting ascending. We can sort records by up to 4 fields. Click on next. Here please select the layout, stepped, blocked or outline. I want to select stepped. And orientation, if you want to select portrait or landscape, you can choose that. And after that, please select this option, adjust the field width so all fields fit on a page. And next, select a style for your report. I'm selecting module. If you want, you can select any style. Next, and please add a title to your report. Do you want to preview the report or modify the report's design? I'm selecting preview the report. Click on finish. We will get the reports one after another on a single page. Here we got hash signs for some of our fields. Because text box is not wide enough to show the text, close the print preview, and here please adjust the cell width. Come to layout view. Now it is showing all the fields. To find the sum of the payment, come to design view. Here please expand report footer and select text box. Please draw a rectangle. To find the total, we need to enter expression in this box. Please type equal to some brackets and please type rectangular bracket. In that, we need to enter a location to which this formula will be applied, payment, and close the bracket. In text box, we need to type a label for this calculation. Now come to layout view and scroll down. And here we got only the sum value. To add currency icon before the sum value, again come to design view and please select expression box. In property sheet, come to format and please select currency, and after that again come to layout view and we will get $sign in front of the sum value. Similarly, I want to find the average of marks obtained. Select the column and please click on totals, expand this and select average. And we got average marks obtained, and after that click on close. Now we can delete or rename the reports on navigation panel by right click on it and select delete. And after this, to create labels, again select table, come to create and please select labels. In label wizard, we need to select filter by manufacturer. I'm selecting Avery. If you want select, you can select different manufacturers and select the units of measure, English or metric, and please select the label type, sheet feed and continuous. I'm selecting sheet feed. And in product number, select the popular label number. I'm selecting 5160 and click on next. Here please select the font properties, font name, font size, font weight and text color. OK, and you can choose italic or underline and click on next. Select the fields to see on your mailing label. I'm selecting first name, add space by pressing on spacebar, and after that last name. In next line I want to show address, enter and select address, space and select state, space, country, select phone number and click on next. Select the fields you would like to sort by. I'm selecting first name and last name. Next, select a name for your report, and if you want to see the labels, select this option, and if you want to modify the label design, please select this option. Here I'm selecting see the labels as they will look printed. Click on finish. If you got a error message, some data will not be displayed. This is due to large width of text boxes. Just ignore this. And here it is showing the labels of each record. and sorted by the first name and last name. Like this, we can create reports in MS Access 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.